Now you can clean your car the easy way with the new foam jetter from Homemark. The 4-in-1 spray nozzle with a built-in soap foamer that will turn any hose pipe into a complete home car washing system. Just fill the soap chamber with your favorite car shampoo and attach to your hose pipe. And pull the trigger to release a powerful dirt-busting soap-filled spray that will break down dirt and grime. Then simply turn it off for a clean result. Choose from 4 different spray options to bring home the full car experience. Use foam to cover your car with soap foam, stream for concentrated power, vertical for gently sweeping motion, or the cone for a wide coverage. The universal connector will fit to any hose pipe, while its economical handle and trigger lock provides a comfortable grip. And the built-in flow adjuster means you can dial in exactly how much pressure you need, but cleaning with the foam jetter is safe and easy. Just fill and spray, then leave the soap to do the work while it lifts and dissolves the dirt. Then rinse for a clean and spotless finish. Call now or visit us at www.homemark.co.za.